this is flag number one, right? Flag number one
Yep.
is not letting someone buy from the exact same page. Okay, the page looks cool, it's nice, it's got a countdown timer until the next sort of like cohort starts, whatever.
Yep.
But let's go ahead, let's click and roll now, and let's keep exploring what it takes for someone to actually buy this thing.
Yep. So then the next step is it takes you to an
Bang,
email box. It says
email
get
box.
started.
Not great.
And it's not really clear as to what is gonna happen next. It just says continue
Exactly.
with your email. By continuing, you agree to their terms of service. Okay, continue with the email. All right, so
Let's go
let's
ahead. Let's drop in, I was gonna say drop in yours or mine or something like that. Let's keep going here. Yeah, the biggest lesson in your enrollment process and people signing up to buy whatever it is that you're selling, okay, is friction. Okay. You got to reduce friction. Fewer clicks, fewer things for people to type in, right? You got to be really clear about what's going on here, right? And we're gonna show you guys some SamCart pages in a little bit, right? But Casey's already leaving money on the table here. And again, Casey might not care. Okay. This is like he's big enough, he's got that advantage that he might be able to say, like, whatever, man, the site's making me money and these people signed me on in a contract to
Mhm.
do this kind of stuff. But for those of you guys selling your own stuff, okay, we're already going off the rails. All right. You've got to make it so quick, so simple, so easy, so straightforward, right, as to what's actually happening here. And already we're asking for
Yeah, so just do name and then, password, whatever, and then I create an account. So this tells me that this is not necessarily I'm
am
buying
I buying
Casey's
something? Exactly, right? Like what's
I'm
going
not
on?
buying Casey's course. I'm signing up for the monthly.com ecosystem, which maybe is not what I exactly want. So I
I'm
click
here for Casey's
create
course. Your customers are here to buy your thing, okay? Right? And
an
now here we go. So let's keep going. Look, so
And
it's got credit card
and now so
information.
I'm at the yeah, so now it's credit card information, I'm on the page 2, this all looks nice and clean, PayPal Affirm is built in, that's nice, and it kinda gives me a breakdown, 249, a nice little kind of summary, and then I would punch in and hit confirm, and then I guess that would open me up and take me into the course.
You would hope it
So
would, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So no, I mean, once you get to this point, kind of good, but we're 3 steps in, right? Someone's on the page, they click enroll, they drop in their email, then they fill out the rest of their information, then they fill out their payment information. Like at that point, you're multi-steps deep, you're multi-pages deep, which is not great for phones and mobile devices, right? People who don't
yep.
have very awesome connections. I mean, and sort of along the way there, you weren't really drawing a straight line between like I'm buying Casey's course. You're kind of like I'm logging in, I'm creating an account. Like what's going on here?
Mhm.
And then here, Jordan, go back a page actually. One of the biggest flags that I see here, right, is there is no way to buy anything else. You're paying 249 and that's it. There's nothing else to see. They're not offering you other monthly courses that maybe you'd be interested in. There's nothing here. I mean, they kind of break it up in payments, right? So you can use a firm and you can kind of break out that 250 or 249 into some smaller chunks if you want. But
Okay.
I, honestly, I'm unimpressed by monthly.com.